Training, it is best, especially Puneet sir. Java classes, we like him very much. He teaches so nicely, and his classes are very interesting. Every class, manual testing, Sandesh sir, everything. I'm extremely happy, ma'am. Like, I was hoping that I was knowing that I'm going to get placed when I joined Kodnest, but I was not knowing that I might get this much high package. So it is next to my expectations, very high. Yeah, so I'm very much happy. Hello, my name is Sanavi Repe and I'm from Nipani. I've completed my BE in Computer Science from VSM Somshakara Institute of Technology with an aggregate of 7.48. I got placed in Mavenir and the package is of 8.5 LPA and my joining is from the next 7th of November. I was like shocked for a while, but afterwards, yeah, obviously I got my name in that Slack group. Then yeah, it was confirmed. Yeah. So before coming to Kodnest, I attended only Capgemini, and here I attended 4 drives. So this was the 4th. When I got this CSR seat, I was also having an offer letter from another training center, but I got the reviews that Kodnest is better than other training centers, and also the interview process was so good. I met Prabhakaran sir. I liked him, like his way of speaking and all. I got to know that this center is better than the others, so I opted for Kodnest only. Actually, when I saw the infrastructure, I told my parents and my friends that literally you'll not feel like it is a training center. You feel like you are in corporate world only. It's very interesting. Infrastructure is very nice, and other activities which they conduct, so that you'll be happy here. You'll enjoy as well as you learn here. Since I've seen my other friends, they are in other training centers. What they do is they conduct mocks and all, but here from day one we get the placements, and it's very good. Like everyone will get opportunity. It's not like you have to perform well and then you'll get opportunity. They give chance to students, so I feel it is nice. So that students also will feel like they are providing us so many opportunities. We should also work hard and get placed. Even if I missed the classes, I used to cover it up by watching the recordings and all like that. About mock interviews, I attended my first mock interview. Actually, that time I got, like, sir gave me the feedback. So because of that, I got to know that where I'm lacking or where I'm good at. So I got to know that I'm good at communication, he told me. Even HR mock was there. They also, Prabhakaran sir, he told how we should do everything. And soft skill sessions also. They were very helpful. Favorite moment is actually being part of volunteers group is my favorite thing. The thing is, I came to Bangalore, I was not feeling familiar to this place. But when I came into volunteers group, I got to know everyone closely. So I like that thing. Like, I thought if it is a training center, staff members and all will be strict or something, but no, I was wrong. Everyone, from Puneet sir to everyone, even you, everyone, you just speak like, we don't feel any burden before reaching out to you. Yeah, soft skill classes, no? Group discussion activity, and they asked us to overcome our stage fear. They asked us to speak on stage, those things.
Same question. Who is your favorite trainer?
Puneet.
Why do you like it? Apart from
Because before joining this, I used to watch his Dream Factory classes. So we were knowing him through the videos, and we got to see him here live. So it is kind of, you watch some heroes in movies, and then you watch them in real life. It is something like that. It's actually like, I was actually not knowing that time the same sir is going to teach us. When I saw him, okay, this sir is from Dream Factory. In one word, no, I can't actually tell it in one word. As my career changed, the thing is, HR mock was there. That time everyone was sitting and they were not prepared. And Prabhakaran sir, he was saying that you guys are not preparing well and all. That time he just gave my example that some students, they'll reach out to me, I feel like they'll do something. I don't know how he got to know, just he gave my example as a good example. That one only. Prabhakaran, yeah.
that is always a starting moment.
Yeah, when they recognize you. That.
Recognition.
Yeah. Even in class, in soft skills class we attend, he actually remembers everyone. So it feels like sir is recognizing us like that.